Hello everyone, I am Narmatha, Assistant Professor, working in Dr. SNS College of Arts and Science in the Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. So in today's lecture, we are going to discuss about penetration testing. So we have different types of testing. So in that we will see this today. So in this lecture, it covers a definition of penetration testing, who needs and viewpoints of penetration testing, different phases of testing, and the reports. So this is included in this penetration testing. So the definition is given in this. So it is a test we can call in the short form of pen test. So it evaluates the strength of all security controls on the computer system. It evaluates procedural and operational controls as well as technological controls. So all the controls over a computer system will be tested by using this pen test. Who needs penetration testing? Banks, financial institutions, government organization, online vendors, and any organization processing and storing private information. So those who are storing a private information, they can use this penetration testing. And most certifications require or recommend that penetration test be performed on a regular basis to ensure the security of the system. PCI Data Security Standard Section 11.3, it requires organizations to perform applications and penetration tests at least once in a year. So every year we have to perform this penetration testing. Testing viewpoints. Here we have external versus internal. So penetration testing can be performed from the viewpoint of an external attacker or a malicious employee. Overt or covert. So penetration testing can be performed with or without the knowledge of the IT department of the company being tested. So without the IT department staff members' knowledge, we can test a computer system. Phases of penetration testing. So we have four phases. First one is reconnaissance and information gathering, network enumeration and scanning, vulnerability testing and exploitation, and reporting. Reconnaissance and information gathering. So the purpose of this is to discover as much information about a target as possible without actually making network contact with said target. So here we are using the methods like organization info discovery via QoS, Google search, website browsing. So by using all these methods, we are performing the information gathering operation. Network enumeration and scanning. So to discover existing networks owned by a target as well as a live host and service running on those hosts. So here we are using the methods for network enumeration, scanning programs that identify live host, open port services and other informations like Nmap, autoscan, DNS querying, route analysis. So traces a route. So if you want to check the network of a computer system, how it will be connected with other ports, so that will be checked by using this network enumeration and scanning. Vulnerability testing and exploitation. So to check host for known vulnerabilities and to see if they are exploitable as well as to assess the potential severity of set vulnerabilities, we are using this vulnerability testing. So here we are using the methods like remote vulnerability scanning, active exploit testing, login checking, vulnerability exploitation, zero-day and exploit discovery, post exploitation techniques to assess severity. So we have to check overall the system. So on that we have to check whether any attacks are made or anything will be hacked by our system. So for checking all these things, we are using the vulnerability testing. So by using this, we'll check the threats and how we reduce the threats will be discussed in these methods. Here we have different tools. So by using that tools, we are checking all these things. So from this lecture, you can understand about what is penetration testing. So mainly we are using a penetration testing for computer system scanning. So it checks overall system scan. So here it checks the computer system as well as the network connected with your system. If anyone hacks your information, that will be identified using this penetration testing easily. Thank you.